It's been really cold outside, so I thought, how about making some soup? Pumpkin soup. But first, let me make something clear. This is not a cooking show. This channel is about my life, music, hobbies, music, interests, videography, food. Photography, I guess. If you're into that kind of thing, then keep watching. And if it floats your boat, there's all kinds of clicky, buttony, subscribey things below that you can click on. I promise I won't tell anybody you subscribed. Okay, let's get straight into this recipe now. It's really easy and it's delicious. It's mushmulling. So you're gonna need 1 onion, chopped, 500 grams of pumpkin, diced, 500 grams of sweet potato diced, shroomies, sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, mashed, a small bunch of parsley finely chopped, and finally, cumin, paprika, Dijon mustard, 2 cubes of vegetable stock, tabasco, sour cream. I think we're also going to need some country music to go with our earthy recipe. It's pumpkin soup, right? Hang on a minute. So, olive oil in the pot. Get it all nice and hot. Now fry them onions nice and good. Can you believe some people don't consider mushrooms to be food? Salt, pepper, paprika, and lots of cumin. Time to get that garlic moving. Dijon mustard in the pot. Tabasco if you like it hot, then just add 1 liter of boiling water and throw the cubes in. Okay, I promise, no more rhyming. Now you can finally add the diced pumpkins and sweet potatoes. However, I need to remind you at this point, this is not a cooking show. Now that everything is in, stir it a bit to make sure your vegetable stock cubes are melted. You can now leave this to cook on a medium heat until the pumpkin and potato pieces are soft enough to be mashed. I'm using a pressure cooker, so I'm gonna need only 20 minutes. When everything's well cooked, it's up to you if you'd like to mash or blend it all to make a creamy soup or leave the pieces as they are. Next we throw in chopped parsley. This melts quite fast under heat. 5 minutes more of cooking should be fine. Meanwhile, do a taste check to see if you need any more salt or cumin. Needs more salt. Only thing left to do now is add a tub of sour cream once it has cooled down a little. Mushmulling. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Full recipe will be in the description. And if you don't want Cookie to die of hypothermia in that fridge, you're gonna have to press the subscribe button. I know it's weird, but that's the only way to save her.